With the cold winter weather headed our way, it is important to keep both you and your car safe. News 3's Jenna Middaugh is live with more on how to make sure your car is prepared for winter. Jenna?
Hi, Charlotte. Well, the cars are rushing past just fine right now, but that might not be the case this weekend when the snow and cold are expected to hit. So before that happens, it's a good idea to check and make sure your car is ready for the winter weather. The forecast is calling for nearly 10 inches of snow. But for cars, the snow isn't the biggest concern.
The cold is probably the worst, and that's when you're going to find out if you need a battery, if your battery's borderline, how good the tune-up is on your car, if it's going to start or not, and how good your antifreeze is so it doesn't freeze up. And you'll probably find out how good your heater is.
As the service manager at Jim's Paint and Repair, Eric Shallow says it's best to get your car checked in October before the cold weather and snow hit.
You can't foresee all the problems that you're going to have, but at least to have a check done so you have a little confidence going into the cold season is a good idea.
But if you weren't able to get your car into a shop, there's a few things you can do on your own before the snow and cold head our way.
Obviously, they can check tires, see what their tires look like. You can tell if there's tread or not.
He says you should also check all your fluid levels before you head out. But if you don't have to be out on the roads, the Wisconsin State Patrol says it's better to stay inside until the storm blows over.
I would advise traveling either beforehand or after the weather passes through. That way highway crews out there can clear the roads.
And if you have to drive, make sure you're prepared.
I always like to start with a full fuel tank. Good to top off because you never know when you're going to get stranded.
And if you do get stranded,
the most important thing is to stay in the vehicle and call 911. Safest place is to actually be in the vehicle due to the other people braking or the possibility of them losing control.
the Wisconsin State Patrol says it's also a good idea to have an emergency kit in your car in case you get stranded. Keep things like extra food, water, warm blankets, warm clothes, a portable phone charger, and a shovel handy so you're prepared for anything. Charlotte?
Good advice. Jenna Middaugh reporting for us tonight. Jenna, thank you.